Guys, good evening. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's today, Monday, June the 12th, 2023. No, I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. It's the edition of last Thursday, June the 8th. 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 0 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 6584. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Do we have a quadra box in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy. The next strategy is I need to recognize some shapes, some figures, some some figures, structures or constructions. You need to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 then. Alright. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. In that case, it's a 1. In this case, it's a 2. Next, here. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this L shape? When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Yeah, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Yeah, another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here. Oh, wait. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes here in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for number 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. That means that those 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then, yeah, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 to 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 to 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 to 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. And the 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.